So, as far as a recap of what we did, learning those scales, it's definitely fine just to put on the backing tracks and start making stuff up with it. What I invite you to do is, so you say you have on one backing track, after you play around in one shape for a little bit, just move up to the next shape, play around there for a minute or so, and then move on to the third scale, stay there for a minute or so, and then move up into the fourth minute or so, then down to the lower octave of the same one, and then after a minute or so up to the G mixolydian. So this way you get an equal amount of practice in each one, making stuff up and seeing what sounds good to you where. So I would focus on really listening to what sounds cool to you when you're doing this and kind of make note of it so you can keep coming back to that area when you're playing stuff. Now, when you start getting comfortable, it's cool to be able to start to connect the shapes. So this way you can move all back and forth on the fretboard. So it's going to be a few weeks before we see each other again. So if you feel comfortable enough before next time, before November, start thinking about connecting the different shapes. I like to use slides and whatnot when I'm going from one to the next. Of course, you can bend up into the next one as well. So all kinds of stuff you can do. Let's see. So yeah, if we talked about things that you would want to work on here. So yeah, if you want to work on that part of Hot for Teacher, I think that's what it is. Yeah, we can definitely do that here. That's fine. So the other thing I'd like for you to think about is think of some things like reasons why going to guitar class is fun. Like, what would make it fun for you? So that's the last thing we talked about before you left. What would make coming here fun? What would you look forward to? So think about it and let me know when you come back and we'll make it happen. Alright, if you have any questions in the meantime, before you come back, please let me know. And have fun on your trips, and see you when you get back.